In this video, I will show you how you can use the Grammarly in Google Docs. Step 1 is to download and install the Grammarly. You can click the first link which is given in the description, which will take you to this page, and from this page you can download the Grammarly for your browser. I am using the Chrome browser, so I'm downloading it within the Chrome browser. However, if you're using some other browser, you can download the Grammarly for that also, as the Grammarly is available for all the popular browsers. But so my download is complete. Once it is complete, click on that. So step 2 is to create a free account within the Grammarly. You can sign up. You can click here for sign up, or you can straight away click the sign up with your Google, Facebook or Apple ID. So I'm just going to sign up with Google, and while you can upgrade for the premium version, which I'll cover at the end. But if you just want to use a free Grammarly, you can just click continue for free and then click start using Grammarly. So now you are all set, and now you can use the Grammarly anywhere, including your Google Docs. So once your Chrome extension is installed, you will get this message: Grammarly for Chrome is now active. And the next step is that you need to pin the Grammarly extension on your toolbar. For that, you need to click this extensions icon, and from here you need to click pin extension. Step 4 is to enable the Grammarly for Google Docs, and for that you need to open a Google Docs document and then click on the Grammarly icon, and from the drop down menu you need to check this toggle switch position to on, check for writing suggestions on Google Docs. So you need to click this on for Google Docs, and then from now onward you would see Grammarly icon on the bottom right, and here it will give you the errors and suggestions. Once you have enabled the Grammarly for Google Docs, you will see this Grammarly icon on the bottom right, and if there are any errors on your within your document, then you would see these figure or a digit here in with red circle, and that means that there are 2 errors in my document. Now I can use the Grammarly just by going over to the underlined word, and the Grammarly would give me the suggestions. That in this case it is saying that instead of showed you, it should be changed to show. This is the one way of doing it. Like if I go over and I click, and the change is adjusted. And the second option is that I can click this red circle which was on the bottom right, and the Grammarly sidebar will open, within which I would see the different errors. The Grammarly also checks your document for conciseness, and in this particular case it is suggesting blue underlines instead of underlines that are blue. So it has rephrased that sentence. Here it has changed the article. So now it is saying that a sentence that is unnecessarily wordy, instead of that unnecessarily wordy sentence it has recommended. So I have changed that. Here it is saying that possibly is does not required, or it is redundant. So the possibly word was deleted, and that can help you to revise a wordy sentence in an effortless manner. Instead of that, it is saying that can help you effortlessly revise a wordy sentence. So it has also recommended the rephrasing. So this is the mechanism with the help of which the Grammarly checks the spelling, punctuation, the grammar related errors in your document. The Grammarly also suggests the rephrasing of the sentences, as you have seen just now in the demonstration. Anything which is related to correctness will be underlined in red color. The issues related to clarity in your document will be underlined with blue, engagement in green, and the delivery related errors would be purple color. And if you go on to top of this, here there is an option of adjust goals. The Grammarly can give you the customized suggestions based on your preferences of your audience, formality and domain. Within the audience, you can select general, knowledgeable or expert. So by default it is selected that your audience is knowledgeable. So if you want to change, you can change that. The formality by default is neutral, which is defined here that it restricts the slang but allows standard casual expressions. And if you just want to keep it formal language, it will restrict the slang and other. And you can also select the informal, it will allow the slangs and other casual usages. So based on for what content you're writing, you can select the audience, formality, and also the domain. Within the domain, the options are academic, business, email, general, casual, and creative. And you can also select the intent. Intent can be inform, describe, convince, or tell a story. By the way, the domain feature is a premium one. You cannot use that in a free version. However, if you select the audience, formality, and intent customization, the Grammarly will give you the suggestions based on your settings. After you are done, you can click done. The Grammarly also had a paid version that is called premium, and within that, apart from whatever you are getting within the free version, that is the spelling, grammar, and punctuation corrections, you would also get clarity focused sentences rewrite, tone adjustment, plagiarism detection, word choices, formality level, fluency. Additional suggestions also would be there. And as far as the pricing is concerned, the premium version is $12 a month, and if you buy their yearly plan, it will come out to be around $144 a year. By the way, there is a legal way of using the Grammarly Premium totally for free that I have explained in this video, which you can check out at the end screen card. Now, in any case, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.